English movie actor Christian Bale, best known for his Bruce Wayne character in the Batman film series, has recently been casted as the main antagonist in the new Thor sequel, Love and Thunder. Bale is mostly recognized for his versatile roles in movies, but little do people know about his personal life and millionaire status. Are you curious to know about this actor's actual net worth and how he spends his millions? Stick around because we are about to give you the full scoop about his lavish millionaire lifestyle and latest whereabouts. Christian Bale's net worth has crossed $120 million, all thanks to his new casting in Thor: Love and Thunder. Bale is active in the film industry and is still making millions with every move. Today, we're going to discuss Christian Bale's millionaire lifestyle and how he makes his living a luxury with all the million-dollar bills. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss the millionaire lifestyle of Thor: Love and Thunder star Christian Bale. So make sure you watch the video to the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Born in the United Kingdom, Christian Bale started his movie career at the age of 13. By hustling, the young Bale was able to make his way to Hollywood and started as a minor, only doing supporting roles. He caught attention when he first appeared as a psycho killer in an American movie in 2000. From unpopular supporting roles to being the lead actor in the movie, Bale charged around $9 million per movie and later increased it to $15 million. So, that is how the Golden Globe winner has been able to get his hands on millions of stacks. The actor currently lives in a beautiful mansion in Los Angeles with his beloved wife, C.B. Balzic, and their 2 children. Unlike other posh celebrities, Bale and his model wife, Sibby, claim to keep them grounded. Specifically speaking of Bale, he has mentioned in interviews that neither does he spend too much money at once, nor does he like showing off his wealth to the world. He does not speak of his wealth unless he is asked about it. Although he did mention being a fashion icon who is crazily into designer outfits. Once he mentioned his casual wear to be low Western denim shirts that cost more than $99. Along with his hobby of collecting designer clothes, the 6-foot-tall actor loves talking about his fitness. Bale is a gym enthusiast who loves fitness more than anything in his world, besides his family, of course. With a net worth this immense, you must be wondering what Christian does with it. What are his most expensive purchases? There is nothing for you to worry about because that is next on our list. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Here are some of Bale's most valuable possessions, which, as he has publicly shared, mostly include mansions, properties, and luxury cars. Bale has a striking collection of property under his name. Beginning with the LA mansion, aka his current residency, the huge mansion is situated in Brentwood, Los Angeles. The star is said to have paid around $8.8 million. Along with that, Christian has owned a house in Santa Monica with his spouse for around $1.7 million, which he bought in 2001. Furthermore, he also has a massive ranch at Brentwood, which he bought for around $13.5 million that spreads over an area of about 8.5 acres. He surely does love spending time with the horses back there. Despite his valuables being limited to cars and properties only, Bale for sure has one of the most epic car collections we have ever come across. Among multiple stylish cars, Bale owns a Mercedes C43 AMG, which costs around $56 grand. To make things even more luxurious, Bale also owns a full-on modified BMW 325i, which probably costs a solid $49 grand. In addition, he owns several less expensive cars and Ducati motorbikes, which he often takes for a spin. And that's all for today, guys. What did you think about the British/American actor's millionaire yet ultimately simple lifestyle? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned and don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thank you for watching.